Hello, Pueblo.
Hello.
This is Manny Dilis, and I am with the Vote for 2A campaign, and I have the honor to introduce a well-known Pueblo resident, well-beloved by all of us in Pueblo, our State Representative, Daneya Esgar. Daneya, welcome, and good morning to you.
Good morning, and thanks for having me.
So I am doing this campaign because there is a lot of money out there that is asking Pueblo to vote no for 2A. Well, I've gotten brochures in the mail, very nice brochures and all that, but there is a lot of misinformation out there. So I am just a grassroots guy trying to do my share to help Pueblo understand why it is important for us to go with public power. And I hope that having the chance to invite important voices in our community to share their opinion is why I'm doing this, and hopefully people will listen to you more than they can listen to me. Thank you.
Well, thanks for having me, and thank you for the grassroots work you all are doing. That's really how I got started in the entire conversation around Black Hills Energy. I was a grassroots community organizer working around economic justice issues years ago, before I even thought about running for elected office. And we had to work specifically on the issues that Black Hills Energy brought forward to our community. So I know how hard it is for the work on the grassroots level, but please know how important that work is specifically.
Thank you, Daneya. So you specifically live in Pueblo, and
Yes.
You have been affected, like all of us, by Black Hills rate increases. So you personally have voted yet or not?
Our ballots are still sitting on the kitchen table, but we know for a fact our vote is going to be yes. We just have to turn the ballot in.
Great. Thank you so much. I don't want to take any much of your valuable time. I appreciate you sharing your opinion with us, and be safe.
Absolutely, and make sure that people get those ballots turned in. It's past time for us to take back our power, and past time for us to make sure that we have a utility company that works for us and not for their shareholders. And you know, I think anytime a utility company is making mass profit off of its customers who have no choice, that's an issue and that's a problem. And it's something that we've fought for a long time. I'm excited 2A is going to be on the ballot. I'm excited to see it pass, but I'm also, more importantly, I'm just so interested in seeing our city take its power back. So thank you for all of the work you're doing and all of the work everybody's doing towards 2A. It's been a long time coming, and I'm excited to see us get this off-ramp done.
Thank you. I want to remind our audience that tonight, the Renewable Energy Owners Coalition of America, of which I am the webmaster, will be hosting a virtual town hall with Mayor Nick Gradisar, where people will be able to listen to answers of questions that they have submitted to us. So please tune in. It's tonight at 6 p.m. here out of the Renewable Energy Owners Coalition of America website. And we will be on Facebook Live, and we will also upload the virtual town hall to the Rioja YouTube channel later. Thank you, Daneya, and have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too. I appreciate it.